Second part, how to become a blockchain developer, step-by-step video guide. So, for those who are completely new to programming and development, if you are someone who wants to become a blockchain developer but has no related skills or experience to build a foundation on, then frankly the road is going to be a little tougher for you and will require more work and dedication. Fortunately, there is hope. Here are some tips that anyone coming from such a place but yet is interested in a blockchain developer career can take. Learn why blockchain was needed in the first place. The story of blockchain is the story of Bitcoin, as the latter is the reason that the former exists. Blockchain was designed as a platform for Bitcoin, allowing it to become a reality. To this end, an aspiring blockchain developer should become familiar with Bitcoin, including actual purchasing some cryptocurrency to get one's feet wet. Additionally, check out Bitcoin forums, search it on Reddit, stay current on blockchain news on CoinDesk, and take a glance at some cryptocurrency blog on YouTube. Any research you can do, any immersion in the world of cryptocurrency you can manage will be to your advantage. Learn about blockchain development. As silly as their names sound, crypto zombies and space dangos are courses that help you learn Solidity code, which in turn is the code used in writing smart contracts, putting you on the right path to mastering blockchain development. Space Dogos is particularly useful as you use actual Solidity code in designing your space dog. These are fun and entertaining ways of getting a grasp on blockchain's development and the possibility a bit less intimidating. Understanding different programming languages. A good blockchain developer needs to be comfortable with the selection of programming languages. For instance, C++, SQL, JavaScript, and Python languages are good examples. If you are already proficient in a couple of them, then great. Take blockchain developer, and it comes to acquiring relevant, marketable skills. There is nothing as good as taking courses so an accredited training provider. Keep reading, there is more about this later. Traditional to be a developer from a similar career. Upskill is the process of teaching an employee new skills. This process is particularly useful when it comes to creating new blockchain developers from other similar position in business. Some companies keenly aware of growing importance of the blockchain technology will upskill individual employees, empowering them to handle the new tech. If you are someone who is working at a business that pays for your upskilling costs and wants to put you in position of blockchain developer, remember that you will be obliged to stay with that company for at least a specific period. After all, businesses aren't in the habit of paying from employees' training only to make them more marketable elsewhere. Here is the next step. So, is the prospect of getting in on the ground floor of this exciting innovation appeals to you, then you may wonder what the next stop is. Fortunately, there are different sites that can offer you different certification, also training course. Whether you are learning on your own, receiving upskills from your place of employment, simply learn has suitable for your situation, offering their online courses, which you also can use. So let's talk more about Solidity Code, what is so popular. Solidity is an object-oriented programming language created specifically by Ethereum network team for constructing and designing smart contracts on blockchain platforms. It is used to create smart contracts that implement business logic and generate a chain of transaction records in the blockchain system. It acts as a tool for creating machine-level code and compiling it on the Ethereum virtual machine. It has a lot of similarities with C and C++. It is pretty simple to learn and understand. For example, a main in C is equivalent to a contract in Solidity. Like other programming languages, Solidity programming also has variables, functions, classes, different operations, string manipulation, and many other concepts. What are Solidity languages? The Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) provides a routine environment for Ethereum smart contract. It is primarily concerned with ensuring that the security and execution of untrusted programs, so the use of an international network of public nodes. Also, Ethereum Virtual Machine is specialized in preventing denial of service attacks and certifies that the programs do not have access to each other's state, as well as established communication with no possible interference. So, today we learned, we get to know how to become a blockchain developer. Also, we talked about what does a blockchain developer do and different other stuff. Also talked about Solidity programming language. So, thank you for watching. It's all for today, and goodbye.